Morning, everybody. It's 8:40 on this Thursday, the 12th of September, and because it's Thursday, it is Claims Day. And claims were unimpressive, as were PPI, also in the news today. Claims 230,000, that's versus a revised 228. Continuing claims continue at over a million eight, 1,850,000. Prior to the numbers coming out, the Dow was up 82. Right now, it's up about 28. Nasdaq was up 44. Currently up $3.20, and the S&P was up 13. It is currently up about 5.5. PPI came in a little bit hot at up 0.2 versus expectations for up 1/10. That's the month over month number. The year over year number is unchanged at 1.7, which is a decent number. However, core was up 0.3. That year over year is 2.4, which was as expected. However, the PPI, less energy, agriculture, food, etc., 3.3%, which is still way high. Chart on the screen is the oil, and as you can see on this weekly basis, we did get down around $65, which is this area of support that's been in place since the end of 2021. We are solidly below a continuation of lower highs, and we've broken the 200-week moving average, rallied back up to it, and come down. I think this is a function of the election and the polls. It wouldn't surprise me to see this market back down below around $60. It's getting oversold, but it is not. As you can see, the MACD is not in an area where we've seen substantial rallies on a relative basis. I mean, it's just hanging around the zero line here, not down here at minus 6.5 or down here at minus 10.5. So that is somewhat negative as far as I'm concerned. European Central Bank cut deposit facility rate by 25 basis points. The 210 is back to plus just 1 basis point. Oxford Industries with a big missed by 23 cents, missed on revenue, guides below consensus, the stock OXM, 72.83 down 10.83 or 13%. Moderna R&D day highlights progress, strategic priorities, but sees fiscal year 25 revenue below consensus, 72.5. That's down about 7 or 8.7%. Norfolk and Southern, it gets a new president and CEO, reaffirms guidance for the year. Market's not excited about it one way or the other. 251.65, that's down a little over 2 or 0.8%. Boeing union members vote on a tentative labor deal today. The stock is basically unchanged. General Mills in discussions to sell North American yogurt unit, and Microsoft eliminating 650 gaming jobs. Both stocks up less than 0.5%. Microsoft up 0.1%. So really not a lot going on as far as the rest of the futures. It feels to me like a lot of the agricultural futures and the metals and the oil are all in an area where they're trying to bottom and move higher. The grains are really making a valiant effort at trying to bottom. As I mentioned, the oil has bounced, although it has a ways to go. A little bit less disruption with oil and natural gas from Hurricane Francine, but nat gas is up about a penny and a half, and the oil is up 75 cents. Gold is up $10, silver up a quarter. The dollar is basically unchanged. It's actually down 3 cents. Cryptos are basically unchanged, and the bonds are down just 1/32. All right, folks, that looks like pretty much it for the heavy-duty news of the week, but I'll be back in the morning. Be careful out there.